Hi, we are the Lau family, a family of 5, and we are currently living in dual residences right in the middle of the city area. So we wanted a place that reflected our individual personalities as well as combined that with a modern Asian feel. We have family furniture and things that we've collected over the years with travels and our each individual artistic endeavors. So we just wanted to make sure that we had a space that could display all of that and reflect our personalities. So in terms of living considerations, we really wanted to make sure we could optimize space and storage options. We also wanted a space that was open between the dining and living room, so the place would look bigger and few area, and also to make sure that the balcony view remained unobstructed. Okay, so we came across the interior lab via Qanvast. 3 replied back to us, and out of the 3 that we visited, the interior lab was the only one that impressed us. When we met Jason, it was a very easy process. We liked that he was very knowledgeable, but he also had a personality and was not afraid to give his professional opinion and was very honest. So we really liked that about him. His mock-ups of the place was also very impressive, and we liked that he's very honest and understood exactly what we wanted. In retrospect, we also saw that the interior lab has had many excellent reviews, so I think overall it's been a really good choice. So in terms of the renovation process, it's taken a little bit longer than expected. It's taken a bit of over a year, but this has been due to several factors, and one of it has been there's 5 of us in the family, and so coming to a consensus about particular colors or fabrics has taken quite long. And I also acknowledge that some of the technical demands that we've asked Jason and his team to do have been probably a bit more complex and demanding. But having said that, Jason and his team have actually been very patient and accommodating. There's been no stone left unturned. Jason is very responsible and responsive. He updates us regularly, so I think for that the team really deserve a medal. In terms of expectations, everything has been surpassed. As I've said, Jason's work is very professional and he's very detailed. So he's chosen colors for all of us that we're all very happy with. It suits each of our personalities, and also the features in each of the room are very unique to each of us. If I had to choose, I would say the living room space, because we love the way the bronze mirrors have expanded the room, and we like the display cabinet where the rose gold juxtaposes very well with the dark grey, and the feature wall is textured as well, so it makes the room very eye-catching, and it's a good place to come back to unwind and just catch up with family. We would definitely wholeheartedly recommend Jason and the interior lab. Everyone has been highly professional, very honest and knowledgeable, but also very importantly, very easy to work with. Although the process has also been quite tiring, the creative process has been fun, and I think a big part of that is because the interior lab is very reliable and trustworthy. So I'll definitely recommend them to family and friends.